Ringkat bat satla kapathe ke jala Meghalaya klai simanta sirham ha jinakhi ya ka international yoga di kabalong ha ka arpoitrik mentau nai hanong ba shillong ka kanhun jingi klayo ban sakhi ya kani ka jingklamet yoga kabalong hamadan pulung ya kani ka program ka pulong hamadan jong ka shillong cricket association pulung lapnia da ka art of living foundation bot kongsan ha kati ka sing lolong manar chokli amali barim ka jala Hakani kasi lai don langru nama of tajri social worker palat aspangut kena simenta kelai poi langkrui syakani kacaka nakaleng kesorba nadu ke badak susdang banmat yoga kenthop ekisipai CRPF kayoga kalongkum simenta jong kejingklan men keba umdeng kam bansai borba handai tangkur kom banring bat lihat mensiam korkom penki ekiti hikjar bat kamet kaphat pro kawe dakumni anwanra ya kajiyo nong how brew dakabayo ya kajingkot jingkia kan hala kisni bon kibriu ki prankam ya kani jingklan met handai kim sungthu sa ya kata ban kham sungthu susu halo kani ilayo bandum jingtep baki don bon jai kirukom bat kawai naki kadai ka sudarsan kriya kapapenlong ya kajingmut jing prakhat jong briu ka ba jai.
As the days are passing, each and every organization just wanted to join hand and be part of it. And today in Shillong, we are seeing it as a wave of celebration from all the organizations. It's such a wonderful experience. Right from morning 6 o'clock till now it is going on. In terms of yoga, Art of Living is totally 100% because Art of Living is yoga itself. Not only one part, as yoga has 8 limbs, Art of Living is totally into those 8 limbs. Definitely, we have already seen the waves of yoga, as I say. There are many people who are joining, and there's so many people who are trying to take the information about yoga. They say that they did not know there was something like Art of Living, but through this yoga, Art of Living also is getting popular. This is a very successful day of Art of Living and yoga together.
Kapun peja ejitam jabieng kapapen koin naik babun kijak jimpang lada unu briu don kamon ban kenjo sakathong don kamon kabanadu shathui kumtaru bayuga kapli yakalat how briu ban prolong ekai kwa
connect themselves with the soul. That is something that is not easy to do, but as you practice it comes to you gradually. I want to say that Art of Living of Shillong chapter has been very privileged to organize this program. In Shillong there are many programs that we have, but this program is one of the biggest ones. And we have seen in the army, we have seen the police, we have seen the paramilitary forces, the civilians, the school and college boys and girls, the NCC cadets, the NSS boys and girls, all of them have joined hands in celebrating this day. So we are extremely fortunate that we are part of this show.
Nila saki yang ni banadu ki kanarin hadu ki plano karta kila poi langkrui syakni kacaka bani simenta hakjar ki yakni kasi kumbalabu da ka United Nation lesi don napleng jongki ke ba ompat songthu pha saphang ka jiyo nong nakayoga handai wi samlau puli bai khot jong ke NCC lapan pa ya ka jirham jong I hakani ka jingkilan mat.
It helps a person both body, mind and soul. As a person, develops its mind, gets to freshen up, becomes quite liberal in thinking, and nila ban pin jathat ya ka mensim lajang banong ba bangya trekam per osisi so dari ba we take a little bit of time banya shang banya yoga khandit ka pin pangat ke yangi khandit. It's a very simple exercise where you do not need too much of you don't need any props as such. All you need is a small mat, a small place, and you can do it just perfectly. So nga shuka ban ang ba pero khoi kidi ban shimbentay ka yoga ngimti ban perkhat ba it's not a religious activity. It's practiced worldwide. So as we all know, it's International Yoga Day. It's practiced worldwide. So we should actually practice it, and it's for our good.